Okay, Asante Kotoko, any Boboko, Karela United, Ebo game, Ghana Premier League. That is it. Now, Kotoko, Esheka Bakon, Emma Karela, Boboko Dra, Yensha incident, IP, and if you go a FM Bokoa, Justice in Kunkuble, editor at Namono GH Live Studios, Ghana's number uno.
Yaya was stripped from behind. He's really in pain. And the fans are excited.
Clear penalty, and I think everyone sides with the decision of the referee. Look at that ball from Peter Amidou Aqua to unleash his colleague. Look at that sweet pass to Babayaya. Babayaya had a touch on the ball. Then he was brought down by Salifu Issa. That was clearly a penalty incident. Good call by the referee.
Good call by the referee. And Karela making a substitution. Shaibu, sporting number 36 jersey, is coming on. And so also is Jibril Nuruddin also coming on. Two substitutions from Karela United. They've already considered a penalty. Jibril Nuruddin is on. Shaibu is also on. Kumasi Asante Kotoko have the chance to move up front. They have the chance to move up front. But who is going to do the kill? That was the incident once again. Peter Aqua, he laid on the pass. He laid on the pass. And Babayaya was stripped from behind, resulting in a penalty for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I can see Justice in Kukuble, the skipper for the side, electing himself to take the kick. Justice play. The fans lover, ready to do justice to the ball. Justice play. 1, 2, 3. Play. The goalkeeper saves it. But the ball enters the net. The goalkeeper managed to get his hand onto the ball. But the power behind it. The power behind it. The goalkeeper couldn't save the situation. Kotoko 1.
Yes, Kotoko 1, Boboko, Karela United, and Shebi Justice Blaze, 64th minute penalty. To Preko Poki crowd go in order to her Emma Asante Kotoko. So this should be the game number 18, our Ghana Premier League. Now, result at glance, Kotoko winning 1-0 against Karela United. Now Bechem United, and so Edema Womo Eufi 2-0 against Nations FC. Na eno yedi toja ewomu Brekum Chelsea. Gomonso esheka bakon ema Vision FC entumi ante Heart of Lion efoma womonso esheka bakon ema Bobo kamienu ema Diana Stars etimu bakon Heart of Lion 2 Boboko Diana Stars 1 eno ene di frimu a etoja ewo ho sanso ena Baseke Holy Stars womonso anshebi Hearts of Folk and Shebi Legon Cities. Woman Echa Kabakon Emma Bibiani Gold Stars and to me Ante Samates. Woman Shabakon Emma Dreams FC. Esha Kabakon 1-1 was the final scoreline. It told job between Samates and Dreams FC. Young Apostle, Apostle job. Ewon Swatremaiso, a Kabakon and Swatremai and to me Ante. Way and a result. Ahodoa. Etoja over the weekend, a Kotoko, a Chakabako, Ama Karela, and Tumiantiano, saying a league log, no, a see at here, Asante Kotoko, after match day 18. Womo Achimi Ababeda top. Ewo 34 points plus 9 goal. Kotoko abo 18 games. Ewinimu mako 10. And our friends dreams Bobo Kwa from Sebi Biani Gold Stars and so Ewinimu 2 mako and kono. No mo tosumienu yabebo mo so ba yenye Kotoko diano. Kotoko elidi ewo games mako edu 10 win and a draw 4, lose 4. And our formasha goals as many as 21 goals. And he has 12. Etia Omunti trouble to 21 goals score and a 12 goals concede. Oti ekabom ayan kaklosa. Nese Kotoko plus 9 goal. And 34 points plus 9 goal. Bibiani Gold Stars for 33 points plus 9 goal. Hearts of Lion etosumi ensa. Women's were 33 points plus 8 goals. And our friends, so Nations FC Tosso 9, women's were 32 points plus 12 goals. Hearts of Folk etosunum, women's so enum no mono, mepacho, woman ever 30 points plus 6 goals. Bechem United Tossun 30 points plus 8 goals. Mediama Sporting Club Tossun so, women's were 26 points plus 1 goal. And a Brekum Chelsea Tossun watch 25 points. Woman go Bianam so much goes 15. And he 15 Etia Womo. Holy Stars Baseke Holy Stars Toson Kron 23 points. Womo suni go Bia Nam so much Dunkron and he Dunkron Etia Womo. Samates Etosu do 23 points. Womo L plus 1 goal. And watch Young Apostles Tosu Duba 21 points. Minus of 6 goals. Vision FC Tosu Dumienu 19 good points. Minus of 7 goals. Adriana Stars etosu dumiensa 18 points minus 4 goals. In Swatreman United anasa FC etosu dunai womonso ewo 18 points minus 5 goals. And a Legon City tosu dunum womo 17 points minus 11 goals. Dreams FC etosu dunson etosu dunsia yes 16th position. It was 17 points, minus of 7 goals. And our friends Suboboko Awanding at the Accra Lions to do so 16 points, minus 7 goals. Karela etra to 18 position. It was 14 points, minus 7 goals. Way any the free moi etoja yadi tuja ama United for exclusively our Ghana's numero uno. No any the ebobo ede kona nimti ushemwa sa pepepe ena esitie nas fixtures no Hearts of Folk woman Hearts of Lion ebebo Adriana Stars any Bechem United ena ebo nabi biani Gold Stars ene Samates abo Dreams FC ni Baseka Holy Stars na Karela United ni Brekum Chelsea Mediama Sporting Club ene Legon Cities ene bebo FC Kahon na Nations FC Atna kokoda mpatamu abrankasi nyamiani ene Young Apostles abo insuatramai ebetena fie ene krobia mapoma metema Asante Kotoko the Royal City Club Asante Kotoko metema bo na Vision FC ene Accra Lions so edi atata so enobe game week 19 yewe game week 18 no sisi akotoko aboni tushire pampe ababeda soro no mo points na bobo ho de nanso ye koni se ya ye beto aso abo ye tushire adi nkunim Kotoko edi nkan 18 games played teams ni obi abo 18 Kotoko win mu 10 a draw 4 a lose 4 as she goes 21 a concede 12 and our plus 9 goals and all points 34 we any chemua eto just exclusively so they are kwanya Kotoko penalty ni fa so ba no and a branch epitami do akwanya ball war so ye nya do kakra twi nipa ba kire and kwabrane etwi ni nsakra ansa na ewuram na no ogina ni mu ho no na nke mpe no and eko boaye ema yaya baba yaya ewuram a na nipa de to fom se hwi breo and ekire eye betedin ema justice in kunkuble edito honomo ema bibia ewie nkonim die so sabepe wo hwe Karela goalkeeper no said ye waboni 2 pack edem na wahyɛ ne top pink na blade so abɔ no red kama edi gyina akyiri kɔɔ n'akyi baako ɛhenhamyɛ ɛkyerɛ ne bɔbrɛ ɛhwɛɛyɛ hwɛdin ma me na hwɛ no ɛhoɔden ba bɛgyina ne socks n'akyi hɔ ɛsɛ nka kipa ne yɛ akyena ne sa nanso som egyiem ewom sɛ na egya nim deɛ nanso egya kotua pole no mu ɛma ne tom a ahyɛ dɛdɛdɛdɛdɛdɛ ɛna dɛm no krɔbea waste ɛna wayɛ bazatile sɛ baseto sɛ hwan kutoria gini no the jubilation ni bi no aso ne nofo kama camera goalkeeper say hey aha ehia ayi a wɔka twi akoa no sɛ ne penalty ne keeper ne ya kye no say hey aha saa na kɔyɛyɛ hwɛ camera o say hey wahu hwɛ nanim o say hey wɔde ne nsa to na no penalty ne keeper no so mu wie na o say hey aha na esenkemu ya yɛ den krɔbea ya ade edi nkunim ka baako ama Boboko a wontin ede Karela United and to me auntie. Thank you for watching, of course, enjoying this episode. A highlight that it
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?